Which country's national bird is the bald eagle? A. United States. Which country's national bird is the great frigate bird? B. Antigua and Barbuda. The Cicero parrot is the national bird of which country? A. Dominica. Which country's national bird is the Gallic rooster? B. France. Which country's national bird is the red-crested turao? B. Angola. The common blackbird is the national bird of which country? A. Sweden. Which country's national bird is the gyrfalcon? B. Iceland. Which country's national bird is the keel-billed toucan? A. Belize. Which country's national bird is the green pheasant? C. Japan. The mute swan is the national bird of which country? A. Denmark. Like and subscribe for more interesting quizzes.